So welcome back to my channel, my friend. Today we are going to do another eye look from another palette, which is Morphe 35 Sweet Oasis. So if you have an eyeshadow, take it out, play into some makeup, and let's just have some fun. So today I am going to use my primer from Juvia's Place. So these are primer that I really love, you guys. So I have two of these now, which would last me for a while, but I have to like shake it up a bit because you have to like, you know. So I know this video is not gonna post today, so we are having 1st of August. And not just that, it's just Emancipation Day in Jamaica. So I know that this video is not gonna post on this day, 1st of August, because sometimes I really like to do video and then put them away. So if I don't up to doing a video, um, and that day I have them, so I pre-record sometime and put them away, and then I just take time to upload them when I get the time, because every day I'm not in this mood, I'm not in the same mood. Someday I'm not in the same mood, I'm in different mood. I love this primer, you guys. This primer is so good, like for really bright eye color, and I am loving this color. This primer, like, I can't get enough of it, but I like to put a lot on my eyes. I like to put a lot of primer on my eyes when I'm doing eye look, like, and it is so pigmented. So that's the other thing about this primer. So I am just going to put it here and bring it up to here. Okay, you guys, so I'm done apply the primer, so I'm gonna come back and start apply the eyeshadow to my eyes. We are going to go into this palette today, which is Morphe palette. This eyeshadow was given to me, I think, I remember if this was last year, by my daughter for my birthday. So I'm gonna go into this color and I am going to start to apply this color to my